What if I told you your broiler boosters might be working against you? Even if you are using the best ingredients, your results could still be disappointing. And the reason is not what you think. Many poultry farmers spend money on boosters, natural or commercial, but still struggle with slow growth, poor weight gain, and even birds. Today I will show you the hidden mistakes that are silently killing your results. One of the biggest mistakes: poor mixing of booster. One of the biggest mistakes: poor mixing of booster ingredients. When ingredients are not mixed properly, some birds get too much, others get too little. Your booster can be perfect, but if mixing is wrong, results will fail. Another major issue is dosage. Too little equals to no effect. Too much equals to harmful to birds. More is not better in poultry farming. Overloading birds can reduce appetite, cause stress, affect digestion. Balance is key. This is one of the most overlooked factors. Water is essential for any booster to work. Without enough water, nutrients are not absorbed properly. Feed utilization drops. No water equals to wasted booster. Even the best booster cannot work in a dehydrated bird. Here is a truth many ignore. A booster cannot fix bird feed. If your base feed is low quality, nutrient deficient, then your booster has nothing to build on. Booster enhanced feed, it does not replace it. Many farmers expect overnight results. That's a mistake. Boosters take time to show effects. Improved digestion, better nutrient absorption, gradual weight gain. Good farming is a process, not a quick fix. Another hidden mistake is inconsistency. Using boosters today yes, tomorrow no, then stop completely. Inconsistency kills progress. For results, you need consistency. So here is the truth. It's not always about the booster itself, it's how you use it. Fix these mistakes and you will see a real difference in your flock. If this helped you, make sure you subscribe for more practical poultry farming tips, and tell me in the comments which mistakes have you been making. Let's grow smarter together. Thank you for watching. Till next time, peace, love and light.